Honda recalls 750,000 vehicles over airbag flaw. Specific vehicles affected are 2020 to 2022 Honda Accord, 2020 to 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid, 2020 Honda Civic 2-door, 2020 to 2022 Honda Civic 4-door, 2021 to 2022 Honda Civic Hatchback, 2021 Honda Civic Type R, 2020 to 2021 Honda CR-V, 2020 to 2021 Honda CR-V Hybrid, 2020 Honda Fit, 2020 to 2022 Honda HR-V, 2021 Honda Insight, 2020 to 2022 Honda Odyssey, 2020 to 2022 Honda Pilot, 2020 to 2021 Honda Passport, 2020 to 2021 Honda Ridgeline, 2020 Acura MDX, 2022 Acura MDX, 2020 to 2022 Acura RDX, 2020 to 2021 Acura TLX. Affected owners should start to get notifications on March 18 and can take cars to Honda and Acura dealers for replacement of the faulty part. Only 1% of the 750,000 recalled vehicles are likely to have the defect, NHTSA said.